welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to unfollow someone on TikTok, first thing is of course go to your TikTok app. So I will show you two ways. So first one, as you can see, I have a video over here, and you should be able to see their profile on the right side, and just simply follow them. Let's say I'm gonna select the plus icon, and I followed them. Now, you could just simply go ahead and go to their profile. And now you should be able to see here the icon, which is the person, and just simply select unfollow over here. So pretty much you just have to simply go to their profile and should be able to unfollow them over here. Now, if you want to unfollow from one of your following list, of course, just simply go to the homepage and go for the profile on the bottom right and go to the following over here. And now from here, you should be able to see the list of your following and just simply select following over here to unfollow that specific person. And that's pretty much it. You could do all of that to the followers all the same going down. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.